Hey, did you know dinosaur secrets are still waiting to be discovered? Imagine digging into the hidden lives of these ancient rulers and learning about natural history like never before. This cool video shows us a thrilling journey through the dinosaur world. We'll bust some myths and reveal the truth about these creatures. From figuring out what pterodactyls were like to uncovering the mystery of dinosaur feathers, we're diving deep into natural history. Get ready to explore how these amazing beings evolved, adapted, and connected to the world around them. Stick around till the end to see groundbreaking discoveries that shake up what we know about the past and change how we see Earth's old residents. You'll be amazed as we show you the incredible traits and behaviors of dinosaurs, and you'll develop a new love for paleontology. Don't miss this mind-blowing journey into the lost world of dinosaurs. Dinosaur classification and definition. Dinosaurs, those creatures from way back, have fascinated scientists and fans for a long time. To understand them, you've got to know what makes a dinosaur a dinosaur. Here's the scoop. Not every old-time reptile is a dinosaur, and one common mix-up is with pterodactyls. They don't quite fit the club. So, what's the deal with dinosaurs? Well, they were land-loving reptiles, part of the Archosaurs family that includes today's birds and crocs. The big thing that makes them stand out is their unique skulls with special openings. These features gave them a powerful bite, and that's the key thing that all real dinosaurs have in common. The word dinosaur is like an exclusive club membership for certain ancient reptiles, and not just any old reptile can join. Paleontologists, the folks who study these old creatures, are like the bouncers at the Dino Club. They have some strict rules to make sure only the right ones get in. So, how do they decide who's in and who's out? They dig up fossils and carefully check out the bones. They also look at the shapes and sizes of different parts of the animals. This detective work helps them figure out which ancient reptiles should be called dinosaurs. Understanding this stuff is like having the key to unlock the mysteries of our planet's ancient past. The more we learn about dinosaurs, the more we can piece together what life was like back then. It's like putting together a big jigsaw puzzle, and getting it right is super important to reveal the secrets of the incredible time when dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Dinosaur feathers. For a long time, we thought dinosaurs were these scaly reptilian creatures, similar to giant lizards. But guess what? The fossils that scientists dug up gave us a big surprise. Some dinosaurs had feathers. Imagine a T-Rex or a Velociraptor, and now add feathers to the picture. It sounds pretty wild, right? Well, it's true. This finding changed how we see dinosaurs. They went from being these scaly monsters to having feathers. And that's not all. These feathers probably had all sorts of colors and patterns, just like today's birds. So why is this a big deal? Well, it helps us connect the dots between dinosaurs and birds. You see, birds are like the descendants of certain types of dinosaurs. Finding feathers on these ancient reptiles tells us more about their family tree and how they evolved into the birds we know today. In the 1900s, scientists dug up fossils with feather imprints, turning our dinosaur ideas upside down. Sinosauropteryx was a game changer with its simple feather fuzz. Not for flying, but probably for staying warm or looking cool. Later on, they found more complex feathers that looked like the ones birds have today. This discovery opened up a whole new world of dino variety, showing how each type of dinosaur rocked its special style to fit into its environment. You've probably seen velociraptors in movies, but they weren't exactly like how Hollywood showed them. They most likely had feathers, which is mind-blowing. Instead of scaly, think of them as more like a feathery, ferocious poodle from the underworld. This new idea not only changed how we imagine them, but also showed how closely related dinosaurs are to the birds we know now. It's like discovering a family connection between ancient creatures and our feathered friends today. When scientists found feathers on dinosaurs, it was like adding bright colors to a painting of their lives. It showed how they were good at adapting and changing over time. This was a big deal for the people who study old stuff like dinosaurs. It made us admire these ancient creatures even more and understand how amazing their journey through time was. Warmbloodedness. In dinosaurs, scientists are still talking about how dinosaurs' bodies worked. Unlike today's reptiles that need outside heat sources to stay warm, or animals like birds and mammals that can regulate their temperature, dinosaurs were somewhere in between. Recent research, like checking the rings in dinosaur bones, has helped us understand how they grew and stayed warm or cool. These findings are like puzzle pieces that complete the picture of how dinosaurs lived long ago. These cool studies gave us some interesting info about dinosaurs. It turns out they probably had a special kind of mesothermic metabolism. It's like they could be a bit warm-blooded and a bit cold-blooded, striking a balance. This helped them use energy well and stay moderately active, which made them real pros at living in all kinds of places. They could handle scorching deserts or green forests like champs. This flexible metabolism was a secret weapon for these ancient giants. Furthermore, they found some red blood cells in dinosaur fossils. These old cells showed us how dinosaurs might have had blood flowing through their bodies. It also helped scientists think that their kind of in-between metabolism probably helped them keep a pretty steady body temperature. Even though these cells were super old and turned to stone, they gave us a peek into how these ancient creatures might have worked inside. Dinosaurs had a smart way of managing their energy and staying active. This mesothermic metabolism was like having the best of both worlds, not too cold-blooded and not too warm-blooded. It made them adaptable in many places, from hot deserts to lush forests. These discoveries have rocked the world of science, making us even more curious about these ancient creatures and how they've influenced the life we see around us today. Dinosaurs truly were the champions of their time, and we're still uncovering their secrets. Estimating dinosaur discoveries. Finding new dinosaur species is like going on a thrilling treasure hunt that unlocks the secrets of our planet's past. With advanced tools and techniques, scientists are digging deep into prehistoric times. They help reveal the incredible world of dinosaurs. They're doing tons of research to figure out just how many more dinosaur species are waiting to be discovered. It's like piecing together a puzzle that tells us more about the incredible creatures that once roamed our Earth. Scientists have scratched the surface when it comes to finding dinosaurs. Out of about 1,850 different types of dinosaurs that could be out there, we've only found around 29% of them. Scientists are uncovering roughly 15 new dinosaur types every year. By the time we hit the years 2037 to 2056, we might hit the jackpot and discover about half of all the dinosaurs that ever existed. After a boom in dinosaur discoveries, there will come a time when we won't find as many new ones. It'll be like the end of a fantastic era of exploring dinosaurs. But fortunately, the excitement to uncover more dinosaur secrets is still a strong driving force. Scientists are eager to dig up more traces of these amazing creatures. The idea of finding more dinosaur clues is like a mystery we can't resist solving, and it keeps us all hooked. It's a way for these incredible ancient beings to stay alive in our memories, and it shows how curious we are about Earth's past. Thanks to the dedication of scientists and our never-ending curiosity, the dinosaur story goes on, reminding us of the endless quest for knowledge and the mind-blowing tales of our planet's history. Our journey into the world of dinosaurs has been like a wild adventure, and it's changed how we see these ancient rulers of our planet. We've figured out the rules that make a dinosaur, and we were pretty surprised when we found out some of them had feathers. That was a game changer. And then there's the whole thing about how they stayed warm and active. It's not too hot and not too cold, just right. These discoveries have been like shining a light on the hidden parts of their lives and showing us how they could thrive in all kinds of places. When we think about the future of finding new dinosaurs, as if we're on a never-ending treasure hunt that shows how curious humans can be. Many have already been unveiled, but there are still so many more to discover. The idea of finding more dinosaur secrets keeps us going and makes sure we remember these amazing creatures for a long time. It's like a gift that keeps on giving, inspiring future explorers and scientists. We're on an exciting journey to uncover the secrets of dinosaurs and learn about our planet's history. As we explore and make amazing discoveries, the incredible story of these ancient creatures keeps us fascinated. It's like a thrilling adventure that never ends, and it's a way for us to connect with the past. So let's celebrate the world of paleontology, where history comes alive and we keep unveiling the mysteries of Earth's ancient rulers. Thanks for watching. Until next time.